Now we have a front that's going to approach Pennsylvania, New Jersey tomorrow. You can see some showers overnight across PA. The actual front is out here. You got winds from the south creating more rain. Here, this is around 3 o'clock in the morning tonight. Then, as we get into Wednesday during the day, the showers pick up the very slow moving front, so you'll have some pulses of precipitation riding up along the front. This is around 10 in the morning, and you can see it doesn't go away. We're in the afternoon hours. We're around 2 o'clock, still raining in eastern PA. Starting to move into Jersey at this time. This is around 5, 6 o'clock, and you can see it's now broken down into some showers in eastern PA, New Jersey, and also some back here in western PA, but not much. And then you can see another impulse of rain will move up. Takes you to around 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock Wednesday night into Thursday. And it picks up in intensity. Here comes a pulse up with some moderate rain. The yellows are moderate rain. This is around 4 o'clock in the morning, Thursday morning. This takes you to around 5, and you can see southeastern PA and all of New Jersey and Delaware getting rain. And then it kind of moves off to the east Thursday night around midnight. It's gone. Now, last weekend we were talking that maybe snow in this area here in eastern PA, but here's the low out here, and it didn't catch up with the front and come together. So here's Friday; it's way off the coast and going by. And as we go through the weekend, we have some pulses of rain that come through over the weekend. As you can see, no defined low pressure systems, so that's a good sign that we won't have any basically washouts over the weekend. This is your Sunday. Let's see if we can bring this back to Sunday. Um, this is Here's Sunday right here. Let's move this over. Here's Sunday right here. I think if you live in right close to the southern border of Pennsylvania, you're going to have some clouds, maybe a sprinkle or two early in the morning, as you can see, but I don't think it's going to be anything to wash anything out. Basically, there's your day, precipitation wise, across PA. This is around 8 o'clock in the evening, Sunday night, and you can see that's when there starts to be some precipitation crossing the state around that time. So Easter, basically during the day, is fairly good. Temperatures on Easter, let's see, let's move it back here. Your high temperatures, let's see, let's make this work here. This is your low temperatures Sunday morning, 40s across the state, even 50s down here south of Pittsburgh. And then as we go through the daytime hours, it warms up. We get to mid 60s in the southern half of Pennsylvania, to mid 50s in the northern half of Pennsylvania. In Jersey, for the most part, you're in the 60s heading up towards New York, except the extreme northwestern part of New Jersey. You stay right around the mid 50s to 60, right in that range there. So not a bad day for Easter as a whole. And then we've got to watch next week as we get to around Wednesday. We have several lows going to come across, and they're going to be right after each other. And as one goes by, it makes the air temperature colder. Next one goes by, it makes it colder. And so then here's we get to Wednesday, the 3rd, midday, and you got a strong front of rain and some heavier rains here through Jersey. But as you can see on the back side, this wraps up, and there could be a little bit of snow. And it could even be in northeastern PA in the higher elevations across. That would be your snow. And then it goes into New England and buries New England again. This is around 11 o'clock Wednesday night, and you can still see there are some areas of snow at that point in time. Um, Total snow, you can see it's mostly out here off the lakes up here in the higher elevations of central PA, northern western PA, and then up here in the Poconos, you can see you're really close to that line. Some of the models bring the snow further down. I can show you one. You look at this model and you can see there's less snow out here in western Pennsylvania, but then it does bring some more snow in north central and in the Poconos, and extreme northern part of the Poconos up here towards Wayne County. So we got to keep an eye on that. But it's a nice it's going to be a dicey situation and who gets it. But if you're in the higher elevations, um, into the middle of April, the higher elevations are always susceptible to getting some wet snow. I think they're lower elevations. You've had it. But I think, again, the higher elevation is above 13, 1400 feet. You never know. They can always get some snows. I lived up here in the up in here in northeastern PA, and I remember used to drive up in the mountains just to see snow in the middle of April when it would snow, and then a day or two later, it'd be all gone. All right, so that's your weather for today. I'll update you tomorrow. Take it easy.